Hi, baby. Ngayong araw, napakaswerte mo at ikakasaya ka sa akin. Congrats. Congrats. Pero syempre, ako yung napakaswerte. Dahil napasakin ka. At una, akala ko hindi mo talaga ako mabibigyan ng pansin. Nung gabi na bago tayo mag-meet, pinakita kita kala GM, kay Ben Hur. Tapos sabi nila, check! Sabi, check. Sabi ko, oh, check yan. Yan. Jowain ko yan.
Tingnan mo si ate. Bababa na si ate. Ate, ayun.
I wanna stand with you on a mountain. I wanna bathe with you in the sea. I wanna lay like this forever until the sky falls down on me.
Kahit minsan may tampuhan, syempre at the end of the day, pagmamahal pa rin bilang nanay sa anak. Congratulations ako.
So that night, sabi ko, she's the one na. Like, super sipag, super cares for her family. Grabe, napakasayos. Inatupag niya yung mga mahalaga sa buhay niya. Sabi ko, paano lang pag naging akin to? Grabe, alam kong hindi kami yung pababayaan nito.
I'll be a dream, I'll be a wish, I'll be a fantasy. I'll be a hope, I'll be your love, be everything that you need. I love you more with every
wala, ready
breath,
na.
truly, madly, deeply.
Galingan mo sa school lang, ha?
Putay.
Galingan mo, pre. Congrats.
Baby, I promise na habang buhay kitang pipiliin araw-araw. Kahit sa panahon na hindi madali. I promise na alagaan kita, iintindihin kita at mamahalin kita. Hindi lang sa masaya tayo, kundi sa lalo kapag may pinagdadaanan tayo.
I wanna stand with you on a mountain. I wanna bathe with you in the sea. I wanna lay like this forever until the sky falls down on me. And when the stars are shining brightly in the velvet sky, I'll make a wish, send it to heaven, and make you wanna cry. The tears of joy for all the pleasure and the certainty.
Kahit madalas matari ako. Tapos kahit madalas si mama yung kasama ko. Tapos wala, di ko nakita yung papa ko. Pagod pa rin ako maligo yung mami ko. Baba, babe. Yung moment na sinusulat ko to, I keep thanking God and praising our Creator on how amazing He is for that He led me to you. Thank you kasi hindi ka tumigil na i-pursue ako.
And now, andito tayo. So, from check hanggang I do. Hindi ko naakalain yung simpleng pangarap lang dati magiging reality pala natin ngayon. Excited ako sa buhay na bubuuin natin, sa buhay na tatawagin natin atin, sa pamilya na alagaan natin, at sa lahat ng memories na gagawin natin.
Happy yarn. Iyakin yarn. Biruin mo. Umuutot ka na nun kahit naliligaw ka pa lang sa harapan ko. And babe, those are the few things that I love from you.
Wagin nyo!
Sabi ko sa'yo.
Buti ka, di longganisa eh.
Sabi ko sa'yo, pre. Mamaya kaya mo nakikita mo.
Hi babe, as we begin this beautiful new chapter together, I wanted to give you something small and simple, but I think meaningful. I chose this Prada perfume for you to wear today, so his scent will always carry the memory of this moment. Can't wait to become your Mrs. Ladao. Mrs. Ladao. Thank you, babe. Hindi ko akalaing ano eh.
Sabi ko, huwag ka na Hi, baby. Sana magustuhan mo yung lagayan ng gift mo. Disney princess. Dahil ikaw din ang prinsesa ng buhay ko. Sana magustuhan mo ang wedding gift ko. Una, yung nakita natin sa BGC to. At nagustuhan mo agad. Okay. Hindi natin nabili kasi wala pa tayong pambili nun. Ngayon, ang sa harapan mo na. Second gift, pwedeng something na paglagyan ng incomes, achievements natin. Third gift, ang dami naman. Something na di na iitim. Kalamot mo. Fourth gift, don't worry. Alam ko may iyak ka, pero papalitan natin yung nawala. Oh my God! Pero magamit mo yan. Love you, that's right.
Well, I wanna stand with you on a mountain. I wanna bathe with you in the sea. I wanna lay like this forever until the sky falls down on me.
Hindi lang ako binigyan ng Lord ng isang lifetime partner. But He also let me meet those friends, extended family. Babe, you are one of the greatest gifts that I ever had. Kennedy Rebollar Ladao, I promise to be the wife that God designed me to be. I promise that our marriage is about, or will be about us and not just about me.
Well, I wanna stand with you on a mountain. I wanna bathe with you in the sea. I wanna lay like this forever until the sky falls down on me.
Babe, you are my answered prayer. My lifetime and my purpose.
Oh, can you see it, baby? You don't have to close your eyes. It's standing right before you. All that you need will surely come.
Excited ako sa buhay na bubuin natin. Sa buhay na tatawagin natin atin. Sa pamilya na alagaan natin. At sa lahat ng memories na gagawin natin. Baby, ikaw lang ang tahanan ko. At mula ngayon, hanggang sa huli, ikaw pa rin, mahal na mahal kita habang buhay.
I wanna stand with you on a mountain. I wanna bathe with you in the sea. I wanna lay like this forever until the sky falls down on me. I wanna stand, I wanna bathe with you in the sea. I wanna live like this forever until the sky falls down on me.
Beloved brethren, please allow me to present and introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Ladao. Ken, you may now kiss your bride.
Babe, let us build a home full of love, laughter, and God at the center. I love you so much.